Every Sunday when I do my full apartment reset, there's always plenty of areas that I skip because I either don't have time or I just don't feel like doing them. So I'm gonna spend my Monday morning tackling all those areas that I skipped yesterday. Of course, there's already dishes in the sink from all the cups I gathered around yesterday and then whatever else we use. So I'm gonna unload the dishwasher and then do the dishes really quick. All of these boxes need to be broken down. I completely skipped this entire area yesterday, so I need to clean off the counter and then vacuum the floor and carpet. And lastly, I still have to fold my load of laundry from yesterday. Okay, now that it's actually clean in here, I can start decorating for fall.